Europe is racing toward a sustainable future to achieve climate neutrality by 2050. Solar thermal plays a pivotal role in this transition, offering a local and reliable supply chain that reduces greenhouse gas emissions. To unlock higher renewable fractions and greater flexibility, solar thermal can be combined with complementary technologies like biomass, heat pumps, photovoltaic systems, and power-to-heat. The DIGISOLAR project envisions a future where this hybridization, driven by advanced digital solutions, becomes a key pathway to deep decarbonization. Digital technologies offer quality assurance, optimize operational efficiency, and maximize clean energy generation. At the heart of the project is the DS Suite, a digital platform using AI, digital twins, and predictive control. This framework features 5 interconnected tools designed for the planning, operation, and optimization of large-scale hybrid solar thermal systems. By providing transparent data, these tools build trust, accelerate decarbonization, and enhance performance for industrial processes and district heating networks. To prove its impact, the DS Suite will be deployed across 4 operational plants in Turkey, Italy, Germany, and Greece, utilizing parabolic trough collectors, flat plate collectors, and high vacuum flat plate collectors. This implementation will enable advanced planning, real-time monitoring, and operational optimization. DIGISOLAR will transform Europe's energy future, cutting risks, costs, and accelerating solar thermal adoption.